Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at IREN Limited stock, which today is up by a further 1%. We're going to be speaking about this over the course of tonight's video. It certainly has been an interesting week for the stock. I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions, looking at everything that I am paying attention to over the course of the next couple of days. If it sounds good, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, as always, do remember I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so you should always be doing your own research. As I say, a number of things to point out over here. First things first, we are seeing this one ever so slightly up here. However, it's not by very much. Whilst that may seem negative overall, and whilst it does actually indicate a potential slowdown in uptrend, we are seeing a few things play out in a very interesting way. First things first, RSI is beginning to cool off ever so slightly. This was necessary. This has been very close to, if not in the overbought range, all the way from Friday and of course into really the mid to late part of today. With this slowdown that we saw in the late part of the day, we have seen this cool off ever so slightly, which puts us in an interesting position for a potential low to watch out for. Now, at the same time, where would that be? I'm looking at supports possibly around the 61.60 mark, maybe even down at the 61.20 mark. We've seen this in the past a couple of times. If you do not see that hold, I'm looking at $60, maybe 60.50 as well. We've seen that too. Levels below that could be around the $58 mark. Of course, you do have levels around 60.50 back here too, so this could be a level to watch out for, very close to where we are now. I think there is a possibility, given this seeming slowdown in uptrend, that we may come down to these levels. Again, we have got some strength here in the past. If we can see this hold up, this will be a very nice point to consolidate on and see further pushes up. If we do not, things could get a little bit more worrying if we hit especially some of those lower levels like $55. Now, at the same time, if we were to see a slow and steady push to the upside, I'm looking to break above 63.50, 63.65. If you can do that, I'm looking up to numbers around the 65.20 mark for a potential push up to the 66.30 mark, 66.40 and 67.10. 67.10 most notably, along with actually 66.50, two levels that we just appear to be struggling to break above recently. A break above this could take us on to some very interesting levels, but do be aware that this could be a key level of resistance to watch out for too. That's just my personal thoughts though. I'd love to hear yours in the comments. Thank you for your time. Goodbye for now.